Now, I understand you recently joined the Hong Kong International Arbitration Centre. What are your initial impressions of arbitration in Hong Kong?
They have been extremely positive, I have to say, Tara. I felt immediately welcomed into what is a very, very closely knit community. Practitioners, corporate counsel, and the centres around the city work together here, and from what I can tell have worked together to make it a very, very successful seat of arbitration in Asia.
Hi, what are you most looking forward to during Arbitration Week?
I think it's a great week, really, just for all of the social events to sort of connect with people from all over the region. The highlight of the week probably is the charity ball tomorrow night, Tuesday evening, which is a bigger and better event this year to celebrate the HKIAC's anniversary. So I know they've got over 300 people coming, so that should be a fun evening. But the whole week, is very sociable, great chance to connect with people from all over the region.
Well, I understand you personally recently sponsored a scholarship. Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Well, this is something I'm really excited about. The Swiss International Law School in Switzerland has set up a very innovative new master's course, and it's a master's in commercial law and dispute resolution, and it's for people that don't want to leave home or can't leave home for some issue, for some reason. So it's completely web-based, and it's using really state-of-the-art distance learning techniques. So I decided that I would really like to support this new innovative program. So I've offered a scholarship to a student from Asia who would like to study full-time or part-time a master's at the Swiss International Law School. And I'm not the only person that's done it. Neil Kaplan's also provided a scholarship, and Pierre Carrère has also provided a scholarship. So it's really exciting, and I think something that I hope other practitioners who want to put something back into the community would think about doing.
That's great. It's commendable, your philanthropic endeavor. I love it. It's great. So in addition to that, are you enjoying the conference today?
Yes, it's fantastic. What a great turnout. I mean, 30 years is a real big celebration for the HKIAC. And I think this arbitration week has just continued to grow and grow and grow. This is the fourth one, and we were lucky if we would get 100 people, and now it's sold out. So it's really terrific. And as you know, I'm on the Council of the HKIAC, so I'm really very pleased to be part of this.
Hi, I understand that you're teaching this wonderful class in Tsinghua. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yes, this is a great module. We have 8 modules, and we're taught by top people in the world, starting from right next to me, Justin. I do a bit of teaching, and Professor Albert Jan Vandenberg and a number of other people come and teach in English for the Tsinghua students, and also some foreign students also come and attend class. And it's very interactive, and we have some of the students here in Hong Kong today.
That's it. Very good.
Hi, so I understand you teach this incredible course at the Switzerland International Law School. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Well, SILS is an online course, which means that anybody can do the course from anywhere in the world without leaving home, which is a wonderful innovation. And I have the honor of being in charge of the dispute resolution module, which is one of the 4 modules they offer. The way that we do this is that we have weekly classes where the students can get together, they view videos that we have prepared, they have assigned readings, they have questions that they're supposed to answer and discuss online, and then there are certain written assignments as well, just like in university. But the end of it is that without leaving home, they have a really international experience, and they have a really terrific education, because the people that are working on this are really dedicated, and they are the top experts in the world.
And this is the same school in which Justin is sponsoring or giving a scholarship to one of its students, correct?
That's right. Justin has very generously offered a scholarship to this. It's not a cheap course, but no LLM is cheap, and many people are not able to afford it, of course, especially from some of the places in Asia where I know that the resources are not the same as they would be in Europe or the United States. And so the fact that Justin and a few other people are offering these scholarships is wonderful, because it's going to allow us to spread the word about arbitration and increase arbitration expertise in places where it's really needed most.
Great, and last question. What are you most looking forward to here at Arbitration Week?
Well, for me, that's very personal, but I love the fact that I'm seeing people that come here, especially for Arbitration Week. They're people that I've met perhaps in America, perhaps in Europe, perhaps here, people who've moved away from here. Everybody comes back this week, and it's just wonderful to see everybody and renew our friendships.
So I understand that the Hong Kong Law Reform Commission Subcommittee on Third-Party Funding recently, as of October 19th, issued its consultation report on the issue of third-party funding. What does that mean for Hong Kong?
Well, it's a third-party funding for arbitration issue that we've been looking at. And what it means for Hong Kong is that we can maintain and continue to grow our international and regional jurisdiction in arbitration, because it allows, if our recommendations are accepted, parties to arbitrations to apply for third-party funding to help them either bring their case or defend their case.